A video on vegetable peelers. So I peel a lot of vegetables, and so therefore I'm kind of quite picky about what vegetable peelers that I use. I like these Victorinox speed peelers. Now I have seen a video where you use them both ways, so you pull down and then you push back up. I don't do that. I just go down, 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 down. Now, sort of obviously over time, because there's dirt on the potatoes and things like that, that the blades wear out. Now, because I could just go down, well, that's the blades wore out on this one. It's no longer sharp anymore, so it doesn't kind of want to work. But you can go, you can see that you can go up as well. So you can go down, and then you can go up. Now I just go down because it don't feel right, to be honest. So what you do is when the blade gets a little bit blunt, you just turn the blade around, and then you can use it to go down like that. So you get a double use out of your potato peeler. Now they're about £3, which is fine, but I'm kind of always want to try and save a little bit of money. So what you can do is you can buy cheaper peelers like these from Lidl. So these came in a 2-pack and they were £2. So that's about £3, and that's £2. So what we can do is we can take the blades off these like that. Even though the blades look different, we can take the blade off that one and we can stick it on this one. And then we've got just a little bit too bendy for me. You know what I mean? I thought it just doesn't feel right when you're peeling. So we can take the blade off though, and do that. Now, they do sell really cheap vegetable peelers for like maybe £1 for 3. The blades on those are rubbish and often not very sharp at all. So you do have to spend a little bit of money to get a half decent one, but still, you're basically getting a new blade for £1 for those, so saving yourself £2. So I think that's worth it if you peel a lot of vegetables. But it's just that useful kind of kitchen hack that I've been doing for years, and so save myself a little bit of money, because every little helps, doesn't it? But there you go, vegetable peelers and a bit of a kitchen hack about making them last longer.